Hi students, second exercise before up to 5 problems completed. Now sixth question. In the given figure x plus y equal to w plus z, this is figure in that, then prove that AOB is a line. Here given that x plus y equal to w plus z, means x plus y equal to w plus z. We know that sum of angles of around a point means this total 360 degrees. We know that sum of all angles equal to 360 degrees. Means what are 4 angles around that? X plus y plus w plus z equal to 360. Here form a circle, no? X plus y plus z plus w equal to 360 degrees. For that, x plus y plus w plus z equal to 360 means here x plus y, w plus z, and they given x plus y equal to w plus z means these two are equal. X plus y plus w plus z, write x plus y equal to 360. Understand children? Here x plus y equal to w plus z means in place of w plus z we write x plus y. Here w plus z equal to x plus y. Here 2 times is there. 2 into x plus y. X plus y plus x plus y. We get 2 into x plus y equal to 360. X plus y equal to 360 by 2. 360 by 2 we get 180 degrees. So they asking now angle AOC and angle BOC are supplementary. Supplementary means 180 degrees. Supplementary. So when supplementary and adjacent means we know that they are linear pair angles with common vertex O. Here O is there, common vertex O. So therefore AOB is a line. AOB is a line. So here hence proved. This is one of the line. AOB is, we get 180 degrees. 180 degrees means straight line here. So this is AOB is a line. Seventh question. In the given figure PQ is a line, ray OR is a perpendicular to line PQ and OS, is another ray laying between rays OP and OQ. Prove that angle ROS equal to 1 by 2 into angle QOS minus angle POS. Here P, Q and O, here perpendicular, R, S. This is given figure. In that angle POS, ROS equal to 90 degrees. Means here 90 degrees. These two angles also we get 90 degrees. Why? Because this is one of the straight line. For that, here answer from the figure angle POS plus angle ROS equal to 90 degrees. Equal to another angle, what is? Angle ROQ or angle QOR. QOR. ROQ. Both are same. Equal to 90 degrees. This also 90 degrees. These two sum equal to 90 degrees. This one angle is 90 degrees. For that, angle POS plus angle ROS equal to, so 90 degrees means angle QOS minus angle ROS. These two subtraction we get that angle POS plus angle ROS equal to this total, send this side. Here POS ROS 2 times is there, angle QOS minus angle ROS. Same step. Here ROS, ROS 2 times is there. This minus value send this side or send that side. Angle ROS plus angle ROS. This ROS send this side equal to angle QOS minus angle POS. Here 2 times is there. 2 angle ROS equal angle QOS minus angle POS. Here angle ROS equal to, here 2 send that side, it will change it to by, means 1 by 2 we can write angle QOS minus angle POS. Here POQ, POS plus SOR equal to 90 degrees, and they given ROQ equal to 90 degrees. Up to here 90 degrees, here also 90 degrees total. Here angle POS plus POS plus ROS equal to QOS minus ROS. QOS minus ROS we get. Here angle ROS, here minus value is there, send this side. ROS, here ROS, here ROS, here minus ROS, send this side. Plus ROS equal to angle QOS. This plus value send that side. Minus POS. Here 2 times is there. ROS plus ROS. We get 2 angle ROS equal to same value right here. Here 2 is there. 2 send that side. It will change it to by. Means 2 by 1 nothing but 1 by 2. Angle ROS equal to 1 by 2 into angle QOS minus angle POS. Here hence proved. Hence proved. 8th question. It is given that angle XYZ equal to 64 degrees and XY is produced to point P. A ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, and draw the figure from the given information. Find angle XYQ and reflex angle QYP. See this answer. Given that according to conditions, here X, Y and P. P is one of the point. X, Y, Z is a straight line. Here angle 64 degrees they given. Here Z, Q, and for that what they given? Given that angle XYZ equal to 64 degrees. Here XYZ equal to 64 degrees. And XYZ and PYQ. PYZ. Not Q. XYZ and PYZ. These total we get 180 degrees. Supplementary angles. These two supplementary angles. Means angle XYZ and angle PYZ are supplementary. Supplementary means we get 180 degrees. Supplementary angles. Means what? Sum equal to 180 degrees. Angle XYZ plus angle PYZ equal to 180 degrees. XYZ we know that 64 degrees. 64 plus angle PYZ equal to 180 degrees. Angle PYZ equal to 180 minus 64. Angle PYZ equal to 116 degrees. 180 minus 64 we get 116. For that, and again another condition they given. Since a ray YQ, so YQ is one of the ray, and for that bisects angle ZYP they given. Bisects means half of the divide. Bisects means half of the divide. Means angle ZYP equal to angle QYP. QYP equal bisects means by 2. 116 by 2 equal to 58 degrees. By 6 means here half of the divide. Means 116 by 2 we get 58 degrees. Now therefore angle XYQ equal to angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ. XYZ means 64 degrees plus ZYQ equal to, we get here 58 degrees equal to 122 degrees. 64 plus 58 we get 122. Angle QYP equal to 58 degrees and angle QYP equal to 360 minus 58 degrees. We get 302. So what they give? QYP they asking 360 degrees minus 58 equal to 302 degrees.